Hello guys, it's me again.
Shira J.
Yeah. For today's video, we're gonna play teacher, teach you.
I like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna teach her how to read in Tagalog and English. And also, we're gonna do math, addition, and subtraction. Ayan. So, what are you waiting for? Let's go! So first guys, we gonna learn how to how to read. Yeah, we're gonna learn English. So I have here a whiteboard and a marker and a cell phone. Magre-research tayo. We're gonna practice how to read in English. And she know how to read this in sentence. And let's try to translate into Tagalog, okay? Now I'm gonna write first. Yan, so ito na yung babasahin namin. Guys, sorry if you hear snoring because Kuya John, her daddy is
sleepy.
May automatic music background kami. Ayan, so today, we're gonna read na guys. So, let's go. Look at the board na, not on the phone, okay? Okay. Po. Louder. Which
is my bag?
Ulit.
Which is my bag?
In Tagalog is
Asan yung bag ko?
very good.
It's the same like
Yes.
Tagalog, right?
Yes po. The bag in Tagalog is bag also. Okay? Okay, next.
Is
This.
this
Louder.
is my cat.
No. Share.
Chair.
Ulit.
This is my chair.
In Tagalog.
Ito ang upuan ko.
Very good. The next one.
My house is big.
In Tagalog.
Yung bahay ko ay malaki.
Very good. Next one.
Who is happy?
In Tagalog.
Sino ay masaya?
Ano po?
Sino ay masaya?
Very good. Galing na. So, next one more time, okay?
Yeah, let's do the next round.
I'm gonna write it again, guys. Next start.
Who?
What is this?
What is that? What that? See
This.
this?
Ulit.
What is this?
In Tagalog.
Sino yan?
No.
Ay,
What is this?
what is this?
In Tagalog is ano ito?
Ano ito?
Yan. So, next one.
Where
Where?
is my mom?
Ulit.
Where is my mom?
In Tagalog.
Asan yung nanay ko?
Very good. Next one.
Is
This.
this is a big tree.
Ulit.
This is a big tree.
In Tagalog.
Ito ay malaki na puno.
Very good. Oh, last one. Which?
Which flower is yellow?
Ulit.
Which flower is yellow?
In Tagalog,
Ano?
ano? Saan?
Saan
Ang bulaklak? Okay, go.
Asan yung buklaklak ay na
Kulay.
kulay dilaw?
Ulit. Ang Tagalog? Saan
Saan
ang bulaklak na kulay dilaw?
Dilaw.
Yan.
It's time for the next round.
Yeah, now it's time.
Tagalog for Tagalog.
Yeah, Tagalog, and you're gonna translate into.
English.
Very good.
Doctor, doctor, please come to doctor.
And then after these 2 rounds, we're gonna learn math.
Math
Okay.
and what?
Yeah, addition and subtraction.
I don't know. I just know math.
So I'm done writing. So this time we're gonna learn. We're gonna read Tagalog. Next, are you ready? Okay. Oh, what can you read this one?
Na.
No. Ano sound ng A?
A.
Ano magbasa ng L-I-N?
Lan.
Len.
Len.
A.
Alen.
Ulit.
Alin ang bag mo?
Ulit.
Alin ang bag mo?
In English,
What is your bag?
no. Where?
Where is your bag?
Very good.
Thanks.
Oh,
Ito ang ang
king.
king.
Ulit.
Ito ang
King.
ang king guro.
Ulit.
Ito ang akin guro.
In English,
This is my teacher.
very good. The next one,
Sopas.
sapatos.
Sapatos. Okay.
Ko.
Ang
Ay.
itim.
Ulit.
Ang sapatos ko ay itim.
Very good. In English,
My shoes are black.
is black.
Is black.
Very good.
That's my shoes. This
Let's
black.
fix the camera.
shoes.
The last one, si. Ulit.
Sino ang
Na. Sa. Ulit. Nasa.
nasa
Pinto.
pinto?
Ulit.
Sino nasa
No, ulit.
ano? Sino ang nasa pinto?
Oh, in English,
Who is at the door?
who's in the door? Very good. The last round for reading.
Yay, I'm so excited to see the last one of the morning. Saya.
Saan?
Saan?
Ulit.
Saan?
Saan?
Saan ang
Nanay.
nanay mo?
Ulit.
Asan ang nanay mo?
In English,
Where is your mom?
very good. The next one,
Ano ang
hawak.
hawak mo?
Ulit.
Ano ang hawak mo?
In English,
What are you holding?
very good. Next one,
Sino?
sino.
Ang
Tumatakbo.
takbo?
Ulit.
Sino tatakbo?
Ulit.
Sino ang tatakbo?
Tumakbo. Ulit.
Sino na
Ang
ang
tumatakbo. Ulit.
Sino ang tumatakbo?
In English.
Who is running?
Very good.
The last round.
Yeah. What is this?
Ito
Ito
ang
ay
aso.
ulit.
Ito ay aso.
In English.
This is the dog.
Very good. Wait lang. I'm back. So, this time, we're gonna learn maths. The first one is addition. What is addition?
To cross out the
No. Addition is you add all.
numbers.
Very good. And you can add here, okay?
Okay.
10 plus 3.
I'm gonna add 10.
Okay. 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
She's drawing
6,
at that guy, so that's why she can add and count.
8, 9, 10. Can we count?
Plus 3.
Cross.
Plus 3. Addition po tayo. So you need to add all number. 10 plus
3.
oh,
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
10 plus 3, you add all the numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Yan. How 10 plus 3?
30.
Ayan. She doing like this, guys. So, you draw your answer. Very good. 7 plus 0.
Oh, the zebra's wala.
Oh, 7 plus 0.
Can I go 7?
Oh, 7. Very good. Yan. Oh, 6 plus 1.
Okay. I'm gonna draw 6 and 1.
Okay. You do it.
Oh.
It's okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And
Plus 1.
1.
Oh, you count all the numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6 plus 1?
7.
7. Oh, you draw your answer. Very good.
7.
4 plus 4.
What? Are you kidding me?
No, I'm
Oh.
not kidding you. 4 plus 4. You drew 4 plus 4.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, you count it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, 4 plus 4. Oh, you draw your answer. Yeah, very good. You know. Perfect. And now the last round is subtraction. What is subtraction?
Cross out the numbers.
Very good.
You go with distraction. Look at.
Every sign. It's your turn.
Okay, baby.
10 minus 0.
Zero.
Oh, ganito gagawin mo. 0 minus 0.
Okay.
0 minus 0.
Wala.
Oh, you draw it. 0. 1 minus 0.
10.
1 minus 0. 1 minus 0.
Oh.
You can minus the 0 sa 1? Oh. Ano matitira?
0.
Hmm?
1.
Oh, you draw.
10.
Yan, ganyan yung gagawin mo. So, 10 minus 0 equals 10. Very good. 3 minus 2.
I need to draw something.
Oh, you draw the number on the highest.
1, 2, 3.
You
Cross
cross the 1.
1.
Oh, ilan? 2. Okay. You draw your answer. Very good. 6 minus 3.
I can draw
6. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Minus 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, 6 minus 3. 3. So, ito yung ginagawa niya, guys. Nagdodraw siya ulit ng dot and tapos, kino-cross out niya yung mina-minus. Okay, you can draw your answer.
Is 3.
Okay, the last one is 5 minus 5.
Okay, now draw 5
Okay.
minus 5.
Opo.
How can I draw 2, 5?
No, you cross the 5.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
5.
5.
5 minus 5. What you going to do?
Cross out.
Oh, you cross out the 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, what is the answer?
0.
Very good.
Kasi wala na numbers eh.
Very good. Very good. Just answer it. Very good. Good job. So, this is our routine, guys. Ayan.
It's time for our math.
It's done, math. This is the math. So, guys, this is our routine every day. And that's all for today. What can you say?
Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Like and subscribe.